The Automan here. Today we're talking about cooling systems. One of the major components of cooling system is hoses. As you can see, vehicles now have quite intricate hose assemblies on them that we need to check to make sure they're not failing. They're made out of rubber and plastic compounds, and they do fail over time. But let's go ahead and set that down for now. There's a lot of other items on a cooling system that you need to be concerned about, and it should be checked regularly. Everything from radiators, as you can see, most of them today are aluminum and plastic. The plastic expands and can fail over time. Or we get leaks in the radiator that actually we end up with some excessive corrosion, as you can see at the bottom of this radiator, or the fins plugging up inside, preventing cooling from not actually changing out the coolant on regular intervals. Thermostats need to be replaced regularly on vehicles. Usually we recommend 2 years, 24,000 miles on ethylene glycol coolant, extended life, 3 years, 50,000 miles, which is a little earlier than manufacturers recommend, but it keeps the cooling system in good working order. If you have a fan failure, you can have overheats, hose failures, loss of coolant, leaking water pumps, leaking valves, fan clutches, etc. It's very important to have all these systems checked. Do it yearly. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.